Hey everyone, so the 4th of July is one of my all-time favorite holidays. I love dressing up all patriotic, I love making fun treats and doing fun nails. So if you are interested in finding out how I did these fun nails and made these really awesome delicious treats, then just keep watching. To make these super cute kabobs, you will need some blueberries, raspberries, some festive marshmallows, and you can pick these up at basically any grocery store. And then you'll also need some kebab skewers. So basically this snack is so super easy. All you have to do is take your fruit and your marshmallows and just mix and match how you put them on the skewer, and that's literally it. They're so easy to make and they're really delicious, and they're pretty healthy too. Make sure you put a lot of fruit on there, and then the marshmallows are just a really nice sweet treat, but they're so delicious. And I mean, look at how cute they look, and these took like 2 seconds to make. So for my nails, I started off by applying a base coat to all of my nails, and for this entire nail art look, I will be using exclusive Salon Perfect polishes. They're available at Walmart, and they are limited edition, so if you want some patriotic nail polishes, make sure you check out your local Walmart before these Salon Perfect polishes are no longer available, because look how gorgeous they are. This one was one of my favorites. It is a red, white, and silver holographic glitter mix, and it's so gorgeous. I used this as an accent nail on my thumb and ring finger, and so the first coat I did paint on, and then the second coat I am putting on a sponge and dabbing it onto my nail just so I get the maximum glitter payoff. And then any extra glitter you do have on your nail, I'm just taking a wooden stick and cleaning that up, and look how gorgeous they are. And I'm also using the Salon Perfect top coat as well, which dries super fast and is super shiny. And then on my ring finger, I applied 2 to 3 coats of white nail polish, and then on top of the white nail polish, I'm applying a fast drying top coat because I am going to be doing some stripes, and you want to make sure that your nail polish is completely 100% dry before you apply any nail vinyls. And so now I'm applying these nail vinyls, and they are already red, so if you wanted them to not be sparkly, you could just apply the nail vinyls and then cut around your nail and just leave the stickers on there. But I decided I want to be a little more festive and glittery, so I'm taking this red glitter polish from Salon Perfect and putting it all in between the stripes. And I love how gorgeous this glitter polish is, perfect for the 4th of July, and I'm just really excited to have this polish. And Salon Perfect polishes are actually only $3.98, so they're really cheap and they're really high quality, so they're really perfect, really awesome. And then once you have all of your lines covered up, you will want to immediately remove the nail vinyls, because if you wait for the nail polish to dry, it can really get gloppy and sticky. So make sure you remove them immediately after you apply the polish. And then of course you will want to use top coat. And something else I wanted to mention, so there were so many polishes in this 4th of July collection, so I wasn't able to use all of them for this nail art look. I even tried to use this blue holographic sparkly polish and then take one of the other polishes that had silver stars in it and add it, but it just seemed like it was just too much. So there's a ton of polishes in the 4th of July collection. You just really have to go to Walmart and check it out. But here's the finished look. They're really simple, really quick and easy to do, but they're really festive and fun, and I think they turned out gorgeous. So that is it for this 4th of July video. I hope you enjoyed how I kind of combined nail art and a fun 4th of July treat. If you guys liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below if you're from America and what you do to celebrate the 4th of July. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.